a paper plane eagle. So you can see it looks really good. And at the end, I'm going to show you how these things fly. So let's start with the video. So to build a plane like this, we will first take this edge to this edge. Now fold it. Hold that. Now you do is take one of these flaps and then put them right over there. Yeehaw. Okay, after putting them right there, do the same thing at the opposite side. Then, after doing this, open this up here to show and reveal this. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this point nearest, almost touching it, but not that much, only 1 centimeter away. And then you have a line in the middle. It's not visible on camera, but from the line you start, it should not go more than the line. Then it should touch right over here. Right there. Now let's do it on this side. See, there you are. Now what you do, you take this flap and take it almost near to it, to this point, but not that much, 2 centimeters away. Then you take this up, and then you fold this. Then you fold this. You fold this by pressing it here. After doing this, take one of the flaps. You have to keep very less space here because we want more wing span, whatever. And then you're done with your plane, and let's start with the flight.